This new battery isn't exactly the same as the old one, but I'll show you why you can use both with a full step-by-step battery replacement, with the tools you need and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Now for the bracket, you'll need to loosen two nuts to unhook the J bolts at the bottom. Then you'll also need to remove this bolt here to remove the bracket. On the old battery, the positive was on this side, so just swing the battery around by 180 degrees if you have the other one. Both will work thanks to the cables that are long enough. Then start by installing the bracket before making the electrical connections. These terminals are smaller than the standard type, so use an online battery finder tool to get the correct one, but I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. When making the electrical connections, start with the positive first, but you'll need to make sure to position them as low as possible on the battery post. Use a screwdriver to open the clamp if you need to. The terminal shouldn't be able to move by hand once tightened. Then lastly, repeat the process on the negative terminal. This size battery is usually in the 40 amp hour range, but what's important is the pencil type posts and getting the one without the base mounts to fit in the battery tray. You shouldn't have any warning lights on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.